Most RVers, when seeing a Montana High Country fifth wheel, they nod their heads and they say, now there goes a sweet luxury fifth wheel. They're correct. Keystone has taken everything they've known throughout the years of building Montana fifth wheels to create the Montana High Country line. You're gonna love the features you'll find in a Montana High Country. But first, a quick note about towing one. They are towable by a 3/4 ton truck. And with the max turn front cap and radius frame with hitch vision, you'll be surprised how easy towing can be. Okay, let's go inside. I'm gonna start in the kitchen for two reasons. One, many times it's the hub of activity. And two, each Montana High Country floor plan has a sister one, and the difference lies in the fridge. For instance, the 334BH has a 12 cubic foot RV fridge, while the 335BH has an 18 cubic foot French door residential fridge with an ice maker. As for the rest of the kitchen, your camp cook will love the deep 60/40 stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet with integrated pull-out sprayer, sink cover storage below sink. Now, you may think that's silly, but a lot of RVs do not have a true space to place your sink covers. Full extension drawer guides, Furion stainless steel cooktop with glass bifold cover, and triple glass door oven. Large 30-inch microwave, subway tile backsplash, solid surface countertop with accent lighting for the island. Also, for those who like to sneak into the kitchen to grab a midnight snack, there's a motion sensor LED light in the pantry in some models. The kitchen leads into the living area, and a Montana High Country has luxurious appointments to make a high-rise city apartment extremely jealous. You'll find a comfy tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa, theater seating with power recliners and USB port, bow floor flooring, and luxury touches such as ceiling crown molding and brushed nickel cabinet hardware. The living area isn't complete without entertainment. Enjoy your TV time with an HD LED TV and a single remote control for entertainment operations. You'll get a comprehensive stereo system with Bluetooth capability. On the roof, you'll get help finding the right signal with an omnidirectional antenna with 4G LTE Wi-Fi prep. In addition, you'll get the exclusive Key TV satellite prep, which places everything you need to hook up in one easy-to-use spot. Let's shift over to the bedroom. With one notable exception, all Montana High Country models have a residential queen bed with a high-density foam mattress in a slide-out to make for a wide walk-around space with, of course, a king bed option. The bed area comes all set for relaxation with reading lights and nightstands with electrical outlets. You'll find plenty of room for your clothes with a large 4-drawer dresser, massive underbed storage, and a huge bedroom closet. Plus, there's space prepped for a washer and dryer. In the Montana High Country bathroom, you'll be perfectly at home with a large vanity with 3 drawers, seamless countertop, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. The shower has a skylight and is large, 48 by 30 inches, and even comes with a seat. Now, let's move to the Montana High Country exterior. Here, you'll find convenience in the form of MORryde step-above entry steps with strut assist, huge drop frame pass-through storage with motion sensor LED lights and slam latch compartment doors, roof-mounted solar prep, and an electric patio awning with LED lights. You can get camp ready quicker with an electric automatic leveling system. Plus, you'll find a heated exterior water and convenience center, which includes outside shower, black tank flush, easy winterization kit, battery disconnect, and more. You'll find most Montana High Country fifth wheels come with the ability to do 4-season camping via the 4-season living package. They're tested and approved for use at 0 degrees and come equipped with insulated in-floor water lines, insulated and heated holding tanks, enclosed and heated low-point drains, straight line heat duct system, and a 30-inch LED fireplace. A quick word about construction too. The Montana High Country models, they're solid. You'll get welded aluminum framed walls and floors with laminated side walls having dual layered Luan and a double insulated rear wall. Powder coated I-beam frame plus 6.5 feet tall slide outs. All wiring is color coded and numbered to place easier troubleshooting right there at your fingertips. So what do you say we talk about the floor plans now? The Montana High Country comes in a wide variety of floor plans. Rear living, front living, bunkhouse, they even have a toy hauler. As such, I'm going to go over them by length. The rear living 280CK, 32 feet in length, has opposing slide outs in the living area, a peninsula kitchen with bar stools, and a large slide out in the bedroom that includes washer dryer prep. The 294RL, rear living with the ability to sleep 4, has opposing slide outs in the living area with a large kitchen island and a unique coffee station. The bedroom slide out includes washer dryer prep. The 334BH, a bunkhouse floor plan with the ability to sleep 7, has a creative twist in the bunk room with stacked twin bunks and a loft area above it holding 3 bunk mats. The 330RL rear living model is popular with its classic opposing slide outs with a large hide-a-bed on the rear wall look. The 330RL gives you a large hutch, dual vanity sinks, and the ability to sleep 4. The 362RD doesn't have a sister because it doesn't want to share all its goodness. With the private bunk room containing a pair of twin bunks and a hide-a-bed sofa, you'll find it can sleep 6 in total. The bunk room has a half bath accessible via the exterior, plus a large outdoor kitchen. The 384BR is a mid-bunk bunkhouse with a loft. Add the hide-a-bed sofas and queen bed and you can sleep up to 8. The 384BR also has a coffee station and an outside kitchen. The 364BH has a bunk room loaded with twin bunks, hide-a-bed sofa, and a half bath. Semi-opposing slide outs dominate the living area. The 364BH can sleep up to 6. The 372RD has opposing hide-a-beds and power theater seats in its rear den, a wide kitchen counter, dual vanity sinks, and can sleep up to 6. Next, we have the unique 383TH, aka the High Country Toy Hauler. A creative below-floor garage under the bed has 7 feet of length and can fit a golf cart. Up front, you'll find a den with telescoping TV. The 382TH can sleep up to 6. The longest Montana High Country is nearly 42 feet, the 376FL. You get a front den with opposing hide-a-beds, and in the back, you'll find a loft area above the master bedroom that has a pair of bunk mats. The 376FL can sleep up to 8. Now, there's no doubt in my mind, when you're ready to live your best RV life, you'll find a floor plan in the Montana High Country line that will fit you and your camp family's needs. So let's get out there and camp.